Alright friends, so we're installing this LED light. First off, you want to make sure your power's all disconnected. And we did that, and I tested the wires. Here's my ground. I'm going to go ahead and set that up on here real quick. Okay. Alright, so next thing we're doing is make sure that these tabs are out, facing out. So the ground is attached, so I'm going to try to hide that back in there pretty good if I can. Okay, and you want to make sure that these are going to be level. Okay, so let's get our screw screwed in here real quick. There's one. There's two. Okay. I'm going to get these. What just happened? Why is my crud? I don't want the ground going around the outside like that. So undo this real quick. Undo the ground real quick. Unfortunately. Through the middle, we should have done in the first place. Alright, now let's reattach my ground here. Okay. Now we can tuck this out of sight, out of mind. Get this screw on there. Hopefully that wire will get out of our way. Be level. So I'm going to get my level. I'll screw that on there. Alright, we're almost done for the fastest light installed in the world. And pause. Okay, so that's still going to be, screw that in a little more. And then we're going to get the final adjustment on here and make sure it's really level before we cinch it down all the way. Alright, so we'll just put on the top here maybe, yeah? Turn it which way? Come on. Well, I don't know if that's the best way to tell if it's level or not. Maybe this way is. That looks pretty perfect right there. changed a little bit when we screwed it in. Go ahead and tighten that one down then. So you see where we're at with levelness. Maybe that one just go that way just a tad. We'll do this little tap or so. Let's see, we're up out here though. Looks pretty good right there though. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and attach the light now. Screw these on a little bit tighter. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now you want to do black to black on your wires. Try this again. Okay. Let me get an orange one. Please fall where I can grab that. Yeah, okay. Be nice if someone was holding this for me. At least I'm not holding the camera as well, so you get a nice steady shot of me being unsteady. Alright, and we're going to attach a second one, the white wire to the white wire. Hopefully. Alright, now we tuck those wires back up inside there, just like that, and get our that's on top there. Alright, so apparently I should have they're just out of reach. Oh my goodness. Stretching a full length. Good. Alright, so looks like might be able to screw that in there. Alright, we were rolling and then I just ran into a snafu here. Probably should have held this more. Right hand. Okay. I need something taller to stand on. Unless I'm going to do this by ear up here. A second screw go right there. Okay. Okay, don't try this at home. But I shouldn't be standing on a moving chair. Probably not a good idea. But it's holding me so far, so I cannot see if my line hole is lined up there or not. Alright, we're gonna try right-handed here. Sorry about that. Oh my goodness, that is not easy because I can't see. I can't see where my light is. Blast, I thought I had it. Now I know you guys can't see either. My arm's in the way. Okay, so there's the hole. Okay, I can't take it anymore. This is killing me, and it's killing you guys. 1 second. Okay, I got it. That was pretty crazy. I recommend having a vantage point that's tall enough to be able to see that. Whew. Okay, so there's that. Top one screwed in, and now we're going to go with the bottom one here. There we go. Okay, and we are in like Flynn. I'm going to turn the power on and see how it's looking. Alright friends, a moment of truth. Ta-da! Look at that. It's beautiful. We went from an old 80s looking sconce to this beautiful new LED light, and it looks really good up there actually, I think. Pretty happy with this. Puts out quite a bit of light, and it's like a perfect like little study / gaming place now. I think it looks really nice. Great little light. Thanks for watching this install. And I'm just going to do a review right now. Pretty easy to clean. I was really, look at that, the fingerprints come off super easy. So, and these are adjustable too. If you want this to be out, you can bend those up or whatever. And you can also extend them out too. So, pretty cool little light. Pretty happy with it. Yeah. Oops, this scratch is kind of easy. It looks like the light part, so gotta be a little bit careful with that. Other than that, my friends, you can check this out on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below, and you guys can take a look at it if you want to. Thanks for watching this install and review video. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.